Hi kitties, this video will show you that cute easy drawing of animal lion and also some facts about lions. Yeah, let's go! Number 1. Lions are basically giant cats. So imagine your pet kitty but super sized and with much louder roar. Wow! Number 2. Lions have the loudest roar of any big cat. They can be heard up to 5 miles away. Oh no! It's like they are shouting that I am the king of the jungle. Oh no! Number 3. Lions love to nap. They can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Imagine getting to sleep all day and night with just a bit of hunting in between. Oh. Number 4. Male lions have manes that make them look like they have coolest hairdos ever. It's like they are always ready for a fancy party. Oh ho ho. Number 5. Lions live in groups called prides. It's like having a big family who you always hang out with, play with, and sometimes have dinner with. Number 6. Lions are incredibly fast for short distances. They can run up to 5 miles per hour. That's faster than a car in a school zone. Ho ho. Number 7. Lions have night vision that's 6 times better than humans. It's like they have built-in night vision goggles for hunting in the dark. Number 8. A lion's roar can be so loud that it can wake up all animals in jungle that are miles away even. It might be nature's version of an alarm clock if lion will wake up at early morning. Number 9. Lions can eat up to 60 pounds of meat in one meal. Oh, that's like eating 240 hamburgers at once. Talk about a big appetite. Oh. Class number 10. Lions' cubs love to play just like a kitten. Oh, lions also coming from a kitten family, you know. They pounce, they chase, and they tumble, practicing their hunting skills in the cutest way possible. Yeah, anyway, cubs are the smallest version of dangerous fellows. Be careful. Thanks to watch kitties. I hope you like this video. Yeah, if you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.